Hello, YouTubers, followers, subscribers, anybody viewing. Like, subscribe, press the bell button, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Please, no scammers, no people leaving links to their own YouTube videos. Enjoy the video. So today we are reviewing Dewalt mechanic set of 200 plus pieces in the toolbox. It's a nice toolbox, so I just put in the wagon and stuff, transport it, always DIY my own car. And then got 4 of these like latches or so. One on the other side right there. Let's open it up. Word of advice: open it up going this way, like lay it down, letters going upwards, and then open it up. I'll show you why you want to open it up this way, or maybe just my own box. Okay, so I forgot this one. Alright, so just the molding isn't as good, like you can still close it, so you can put stuff. I added some keying stuff into it, so yeah, and so there's like extra tools. I lost some tools, missing one. I lost this one right here. Don't know where that is. I still got all the wrenches, the axle keys, pretty good. Combo all of the other ones. Yeah, let me see. So, some are very goodly tightened down. Right here. Right. So you can just use the Allen wrench to fire it off if you don't have anything too sore or anything. Boom. It's good. Lifetime warranty. Some stuff are easier to take off than others. Looking nice. Some stuff is branded with the Dewalt. Let me see. What's that one piece that broke? Like 2 pieces broke. It's this one. Nope, not this one. Alright. So this is the piece that broke. Hopefully it zooms in. Like the braille, these diamond pattern kind of looking things, or rhombuses. Did I remember that one correctly from school? Right. Yep, Dewalt. And it's what's it called? I think a 1/2 inch converted into a 3/8. Yeah, and then it broke from the top right there. I just don't remember where's the socket at. I remember like it was like a 19th, maybe it fell down somewhere in here. But yeah, I just keep it. Hide more with the King's brand. It's the 19th. Yeah. Oh, see, broke on this one right here. So yeah, this one to that one broke using a giant wrench. My other wrench is 1.5 feet or so. 1.5, yes, because I did it for tire work, but I'm gonna use the lifetime warranty to just fix something that don't really need the smaller converter tool. Yeah, so I did you know, gonna use a stick or something to take it off. Yeah, I just gonna wait until I accidentally like break a socket. Hopefully don't give me bad service, bad quality customer service is like the missing thing. Maybe I got it in a different toolbox. This thingamajigger right there. But hopefully I find it later. You know, yes. I like the bits, all these bits right here. This is a good quality. There, all those bits. Yes. Yeah, all the DIY stuff. And I don't want to waste a single penny on a mechanic for spending way more money on myself. So, trying to do it. Alright. See you guys later. Take care. You know, Dewalt. Let's go.